In a world where noise is everywhere, precision becomes rare. In a time where everyone speaks, only a marksman listens. And here, on this channel, Marksman Choice, we stand for that precision. We stand for that focus. We stand for the truth behind every trigger pull. Welcome back, shooters. This is your host, and today, before the review begins, I want to speak to you directly as part of a community that understands discipline, passion, and respect for the craft. You see, a firearm is more than steel, more than recoil, more than mechanics. It is a test of control, a test of patience, a test of who you become when everything around you goes silent, and it's just you, your breath, your target, and the moment that decides everything. On Marksman Choice, we don't just review guns. We uncover what they're truly capable of. We push them to their limits. We test reliability under pressure, accuracy under stress, ergonomics under movement, and durability under real conditions. Because when you choose a firearm, you're not choosing a toy, you're choosing trust. This channel is built on honesty, raw, unfiltered, and real. No hype, no drama, no paid sugarcoating. When we tell you a weapon performs, it's because we've seen it perform. When we point out flaws, it's because you deserve to know. A shooter's life depends on truth. And here, that truth is our priority. If you're new to this channel, know this. You're stepping into a community of serious shooters. People who respect the craft. People who train, who learn, who evolve. Marksmen who understand that mastery isn't given. It's earned through repetition, through discipline, through dedication. And to those who've been supporting from day one, your engagement is the backbone of Marksman Choice. Every comment, every like, every share, every moment you spend here pushes this mission forward. A mission to bring real firearm knowledge to the world. A mission to guide new shooters with clarity. A mission to elevate experienced marksmen with insight. So if you're watching right now, hit that subscribe button. Not because it helps the channel, but because it connects you to a place where the noise ends and the knowledge begins. Where every week you get in-depth reviews, slow-motion breakdowns, precision testing, tactical insights, and honest guidance. This channel isn't entertainment. This is training. This is information. This is growth. This is Marksman Choice, your hub for truth in the shooting world. And as we move forward, expect more detail, more accuracy, more real-world testing, bigger comparisons, field reviews, range torture tests, high-speed footage, everything you need to make the right decision, every single time. Because here's the truth, anyone can fire a gun, but only a marksman can understand it. Only a marksman can respect it. Only a marksman can make the right choice. So stay sharp, stay focused, and get ready, because today's review is about to begin. And what you're about to see will show you what real performance looks like. This is Marksman Choice, where accuracy is everything.